Okay, let's dive right into this. Have you ever just stared at your Windows PC and thought, why on earth is this so cluttered? It's a massive, incredibly relatable problem, right? Between all those background processes we absolutely don't need, the pre-installed bloatware, and the sneaky gigabytes of temporary files, it genuinely feels like a constant battle just to keep your system running smoothly. Well, welcome to today's explainer, because we're actually going to fix that. We're talking about vibe coding Windows, basically replacing all that heavy bloat with your own custom AI scripts. We're breaking down a fascinating, trendy new approach to PC optimization that completely skips the heavy software and puts the power entirely in your hands.
So we're really at a crossroads here. On one side, you've got the old school way, which means downloading bloated third-party tweaking utilities, or worse, running some random unverified optimization script you found deep in a forum. The source material points out that running scripts that haven't been peer-reviewed is honestly just a recipe for a system-breaking disaster. It's a total roll of the dice. But on the flip side, we have this sleek, modern approach, custom AI scripts. Think of it like bringing that clean, high viral aesthetic, bold contrast, big titles, clean white backgrounds, straight into how your system operates under the hood. It's all about using agentic AI to build your very own, tailor-made utilities both safely and efficiently. To really ground why we even need to go down this path, tech writer Abhinav absolutely hit the nail on the head. He noted how incredibly little the average Windows build is actually optimized for user comfort straight out of the box. And honestly, that totally validates the universal frustration we all feel. It's only natural that power users are constantly hunting for ways to reclaim system resources. The hard truth is, the operating system just isn't designed to keep itself perfectly tidy for your specific, everyday workflow.
So, what's the modern fix for this glaring lack of optimization? Meet your new AI coder, Claude Code. This is Anthropic's powerful agentic tool, and it can take over all the heavy lifting of building those custom, lightweight utilities. And the absolute best part? You can prompt it to build and endlessly iterate on these utilities without having to manually write a single line of code yourself. It literally acts as your own personal developer, creating software that's tailored to exactly what your system needs.
Let's get into our first practical show-and-tell example. Script 1, Taming Folder Chaos. Look, we can all relate to the absolute black hole that is an unmanaged downloads folder. You know exactly the feeling. Hundreds of tiny files, totally unorganized, making it basically impossible to find that one document you actually need. So let's see how our AI coder tackles this exact usability nightmare. The AI whipped up a handy little utility called Downloads Organizer. It's a completely lightweight Python-based script, and it even comes with its own slick graphical user interface. And while it was initially designed for the Downloads folder, you can just point it to any path, and it flawlessly sorts any folder on your system, even a totally chaotic desktop. As a power user, instead of wasting time manually hunting down duplicates or sifting through bite-sized DLLs, massive video clips, images, and PDFs, this script just handles all that tedious sorting automatically. It's an absolute game changer for reclaiming your time. Okay, moving right along. Let's pivot to the second major pain point literally every Windows user knows all too well: trashing system junk. If you've been running Windows 11 for a while, you know it's notorious for generating just massive piles of temporary files. We're talking system updates, app caches, and leftover junk that silently balloons to dozens of gigabytes over time. Now, the absolute last thing you want is a cleanup utility that just adds more heavy clutter, right? So let's look at the lightweight solution the AI built.
Let's walk through exactly how this custom junk cleaner actually works under the hood. It relies on Python's robust built-in Tinker library. Step 1. When you hit scan, it indexes the OS for those storage hogs, like browser caches and Windows logs, running everything on a background thread. This is super important because it keeps a user interface totally responsive while it's working. Step 2. It safely fetches those files back to the GUI via a thread-safe callback, letting you sort them easily by name or size. And finally, Step 3. A separate background thread handles the actual deletion using standard Python libraries. It's incredibly elegant, and it runs directly on Python without any of that annoying background overhead. Now let's transition to the final and frankly the most intimidating problem power users face. Script 3. Demystifying driver errors. Diagnosing hardware issues that are buried deep inside the legacy device manager has historically been a massive headache. Device Manager just hides these problems in this intimidating, endlessly expandable tree that is an absolute nightmare for usability.
And we've all been there, right? A critical system driver suddenly breaks, and the operating system just throws a completely unhelpful, cryptic number at you, like error 42. As the source article brilliantly jokes,
When you see a code like 42, you're honestly left wondering if it's an actual driver issue or just a cheeky reference to the Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. It's just absurd.
But here is the crucial takeaway. This AI-generated driver checker script instantly translates over 60 of these cryptic error codes into plain English. It completely bypasses all that legacy confusion. The script actually shells out to PowerShell, runs a WMI query to pull all your indexed devices, parses that JSON response into a clean GUI built with Tinker, and gives you the exact answer. So instead of a dozen frustrating clicks, tracking down a problematic driver now takes literally 2.
And here is the real kicker. You could absolutely pull out your credit card for a polished third-party app with a rolling $12 a month charge. And sure, maybe they auto-install drivers, but they're a constant drain on your wallet. Or you could just use your free custom driver checker. Sure, it doesn't automatically update the drivers for you, but it color codes the broken ones right to the top of your screen and tells you exactly what's wrong in plain English. This allows you to just fix it conveniently yourself, and it's totally free.
Which brings us to the highly viral buzzword that really defines this entire empowering macro trend: vibe coding. It's simply the ability to create tailor-made software for your exact usability problems without ever manually writing the code yourself. You don't have to settle for expensive, resource-hogging apps anymore. And you definitely don't have to risk running dubious scripts from GitHub. The control is 100% in your hands to build solutions that perfectly fit your personal workflow.
Now, of course, as with literally any emerging tech trend, not everyone is entirely convinced that this level of AI automation is completely necessary for system maintenance. For example, one commenter named David pointed out that hunting for temp files and tinkering with drivers is, in his words, so last century. He argues for just manually deleting everything in your downloads folder that's older than a year and calling it good. It's definitely an interesting contrarian view, and it highlights that for some users, the old-school manual approach is still their trusted, go-to method over utilizing new AI tools. But for those of us who love automation and pushing efficiency to the limit, the possibilities right now are virtually endless. Which really just leaves one question for you. What problem will you vibe code away next? Now that you know exactly how to leverage tools like Claude Code to replace those bloated utilities with perfectly tailored, lightweight Python scripts, how are you going to take control of your own digital space? Keep experimenting, have fun with it, and thanks so much for joining me on this explainer.